This is the video I owe you most if you feel like you don't have extra money to save or to pay down your debt, but yet you don't have a side hustle right now. Did you know that you have free money lying around that needs you to go and claim it? The money that is in your name and it's just lying there freely somewhere, somehow, some way, that needs you and your effort to take the first step and go and claim that money. I'll link down the payments that I got, the 2 payments that I got after once I did something like this. I'm on a mission, guys, that this year I'm going to claim all the money that I can remember that I'm being owed, especially by the institutions. You know, these institutions, they would owe you money and they will not call you. I don't know what would happen in between there, but you need to take the initiative and go and claim your money. The first one that you will see in this down there below is the money that I got from insurance company. I didn't even know that the name that I see there on that payment is the name of that company, because for me it was a different name. I had joined something different from that insurance company. So in 2021 I cancelled that policy that I had, but they never actually cancelled it, so they kept on deducting the monthly subscriptions. So this year I took the initiative and go to them and say, guys, look, I cancelled this policy, but you guys, you kept on deducting my money and I need my money back. It was quite difficult. It was really difficult, but I produced all the evidence and everything, and I stood to the ground that I want my money back and that policy be cancelled, backdated to the 2021 date that I cancelled it. And yeah, after all that struggle, you can see they deposited the 5 point something. 5 point something is a lot of money. And yeah, and then the next thing that you will see down there is a rewards from Standard Chartered. You know, Standard Chartered, once you subscribe for the rewards, you keep on accumulating points, and sometimes these points, I used to buy all my airtime using these rewards, but now I think I don't know if you can still buy airtime or not, but I've never been paying attention for them for quite some time. So these rewards, sometimes they can ask you, if you buy something for 200 pila, they can ask you if can we refund you that money using your rewards. So I've been seeing these mails, and you also, if you are using Standard Chartered, if you have linked your card to rewards, you would know, or you would remember, or if you just check in your mail rewards, you will see that sometimes they would say you purchased something for 150, do you want to claim that using your reward? But because we've been ignoring that, I've also been ignoring that. So I claimed that I think it was 142. So the main idea about this exercise is that we collect the little money that we are being owed all over, little by little, and we channel it towards either our savings, our investments, or paying down our debt. Because right now maybe we feel like we don't have any extra money anyway, and we don't have any extra business that we are like running right now, or extra hustles, or so this free money that I'm talking about, it's there. It's just that you have to think about it and go collect it. And I did the first video, and in the first video I was saying I have 2 more companies that I'm going after, but then I realized that no, I actually have maybe about 3, 4, or 5 about them. So I'm also going to go about them. The other company that I'm going to go for is the bank. Actually, the bank, I went to the bank because I was topping up my mortgage, and then I told them that, guys, I know there's some money that you guys were supposed to refund me, that you owe me. And then the bank was like, oh no, yeah, we made a mistake. There was that money, but we deposited your money this month, and then we didn't deduct the following month. So we took that money that we were supposed to refund you to pay off that 1 month period that we didn't deduct from your salary. I'm still not convinced. I'm still going to find the pay slips for 2023 April, May, June, so that I am convinced, I am sure that indeed what they said was the truth. And then I have also another insurance company that I insured this mortgage with. I think they also owe me money, so I'll do the needful, I'll do the job, I'll check them out. And then The other thing, guys, you government employees, leave concession. You guys never bother about leave concession, or you always forget it, or you always, that money is your money and you need to claim it. And it's not little money. Anything above 500 is a lot of money that you can use it towards growing your emergency fund or towards your savings. So those leave concessions, I don't know why that word is difficult, but anyway. And then you guys, you have those things, it's the cashbacks, but you don't even know your policies. Most of your policies, they have cashbacks after 3 months. You need to go and claim those cashbacks. And then one thing that I know is the medical aid. I was it in 2021 as well. This medical aid, I had somebody in my medical aid, and then I cancelled that medical aid, that person, and then they kept on deducting the same amount, and they were supposed to pay me the difference. So this is one area that I also forgot to mention when I thought about two. So this is the third one. So I'm going to also follow the medical insurance. For I know that one they owe me, because they stayed for a long time still deducting the same amount despite me having cancelled someone from the medical aid. And then the other thing is the housing department. I know last year I moved from a bigger house to a smaller house, and there was that difference of payments between these two houses, and I know they didn't pay me. I just remembered it right now. So you guys, you can see her now. I'm counting 4 things, is it 4? No, three things. I already claimed the 500, the 5,000 from the insurance, the 142 from the rewards. Actually, this rewards every month it has some rewards. You have some rewards for Standard Chartered users. Now I have the medical aid. Now I have that insurance that I was talking about, and the fifth one, now I have the housing department. I know they didn't pay me that money, that money that I was moving from another house to another house, that difference that they deducted the following month. So guys, I'm saying this video to urge you to think about all places where your free money is lying, and go and collect that money, and go and use that money to grow yourselves financially, either through savings, either through investments, either you'll be paying down your debt. It's really the money that's there, and these banks are not going to call you, or these insurance companies or these institutions, they are not going to call you and say, hey, we think there's something going on that we didn't calculate well or something. You need to do it yourself for yourself, right? And guys, can you please share more ideas or places where you would think we have our free money lying, so that we can have all these ideas and think about them and take the action? Good luck.